So my dear friends, in my last week's video, I have discussed about the top 3 most fundamentally strong stocks to buy right now. And I have seen that many of you have actually commented. You guys asked to know the name of the next 7 stocks. So very soon I'll be coming up with the name of the next 7 stocks. But in today's video, we will be discussing about the top performing mutual funds. So which 6 mutual funds are actually good to buy right now, and you can buy these mutual funds in market dips. So I'll be discussing about top 3 flexi cap funds, because flexi cap funds, they are flexi cap, means the fund manager can buy the mid cap, small cap or large cap stocks in these flexi cap. So the rate of return can be really astounding, and I'll also discuss about the top large and mid cap funds. So I'll show you the comparative report, and I'll also show you where exactly to buy these mutual funds, how you can buy the mutual funds without paying commission to your mutual fund broker. So I'll show you that way also, where to buy direct mutual funds. So guys, without wasting further time, let me take you to a PowerPoint presentation where I'll be showing you comparative analysis of the top 6 mutual funds, top 3 flexi cap funds and top 3 large and mid cap funds. So guys, let me take you to the PowerPoint presentation directly. So guys, I am on the PowerPoint. So we will be discussing about the top mutual funds to invest. So this is a nice PowerPoint presentation. I have seen the screen is actually animated. So guys, let me go to the top flexi cap funds. So the list of the top flexi cap funds, you can see I have actually taken this research. I have actually did extensive research, and after that I am publishing this list. The top flexi cap funds are Parag Parikh flexi cap funds growth. The fund manager is Mr. Rajiv Thakkar. The next one is UTI flexi cap fund regular growth. The fund manager is Ajay Tyagi, and the third one is Axis flexi cap fund regular growth. The fund manager is Shreyas Devalkar. So I'll be going to the comparative studies later. I'll show you the comparative charts, and later I'll take you to Zerodha Coin, where I'll discuss about the comparative studies. So you can see Parag Parikh. This is actually Parag Parikh one is the blue line, the UTI is the red line, and the Axis is the yellow line. So you can see, though Parag Parikh is giving a lesser return from the charts, but the stability is much more. So I have kept it at the number 1 position, and then the UTI, and then the Axis flexi cap fund. I'll take you to Zerodha Coin to discuss in details. And next, the top large and mid cap funds. The first one is Mira Asset Emerging Blue Chip Regular Growth. The fund manager is Nilesh Surana. The second one in my list, it is Tata Large and Mid Cap Fund Growth. The fund manager is Chandra Prakash Padiyar. And the third one is Canara Robeco Emerging Equities Fund Regular Growth. The fund manager is Miyush Gandhi. So these are top large and mid cap funds. Let me take you to the comparative charts. So here the blue one is Mira Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund. The red one is Tata Large and Mid Cap Fund, and the yellow one is Canara Robeco Emerging Equities Direct Plan. So you can see the Mira Asset Fund is clear a winner, and I have also kept it at the number 1 position in my charts. So now guys, how to invest in them? So you need to log into Zerodha Coin and start investing. So there is no need to pay any brokerage to your mutual fund broker. So there is no commission, because Zerodha Coin is a platform to invest on the direct mutual funds. So there is no commission. You can save a huge amount on the commission. So if you do not have Zerodha account, you need to click. There is a link, that is bit.ly/join Zerodha. So joinzrodha bit.ly/join Zerodha. You can click this link and you can get an account ASAP. The links to join Zerodha will be given on the video description. So guys, do not worry. You can click the link from the video description. You can open an account in Zerodha and you can start investing on the mutual funds, on the direct mutual funds in Zerodha Coin. So guys, this is the end of the PowerPoint presentation. Now I'll take you to the Zerodha Coin platform where I'll show you the comparative studies. So guys, this is the comparative studies between the mutual funds. You can see we are on the flexi cap funds. So there is the comparative studies. So PPFAS, Parak flexi cap, it is 44 rupees the current NAV. UTI flexi cap fund, the current NAV is 235.62, and Axis flexi cap fund, the current NAV is 17.55. You can see the previous NAV also, it is shown here. So subcategory is growth for all of them, type is equity, all are open-ended, the exit load is 2% for the PPFAS and the other two are 1%. So CAGR returns 3 months. The first one is 12.34%, the second one is 6.71% and the third one is 5.03%. CAGR means compounded annual growth rate. So CAGR for 6 months, PPFAS is 22.18%, UTI is 21.29% and the Axis is 16.53%. So CAGR returns 1 year, that is PPFAS 62.16%, UTI 70.16% and Axis 49.11%. You can see the name of the fund manager already I have told you. Expense ratio is also given here. PPFAS, it is a low expense ratio 0.91. UTI is rather a higher expense ratio, it is 1.21, and Axis is the least expense ratio, it is 0.59. So you can directly buy any of the funds from this particular page also, or you can buy from Zerodha Coin. This is Zerodha Coin itself. So now let us go to the large and mid cap funds. So here you can see Mira Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund, Tata Large and Mid Cap Fund and Canara Robeco Emerging Equities Fund. So Mira Asset, Tata and Canara Robeco. You can see the NAV Mira Asset is 93.30, Tata Large and Mid Cap Fund is 325.51 and Canara Robeco it is 154.37. So category is equity, large and mid cap in all the three. Subcategory is growth, type is equity, open-ended funds, all are open-ended funds. Exit load is 1% in all the funds. So CAGR returns 3 months 8.89%. On the Mira Asset, Tata it is 5.00 and Canara Robeco it is 7.11. CAGR returns 6 months. Mira Asset is 26.68%, Tata is 21.25% and Canara Robeco is 22.04%. And CAGR returns 1 year. Mira Asset is 75.01%, Tata is 58.93% and Canara Robeco it is 64.45%. You can see the initial price was 10 for all the mutual funds. Redemption frequency is daily. The expense ratio you can see for Mira Asset it is 0.72, for Tata Mutual Fund it is 1.13 and for the Canara Robeco it is 0.66. I have already discussed about the name of the fund managers and you can directly buy from this page, or you can go to Zerodha Coin, you can search for any of these funds and you can start investing on these funds. So guys, this is my presentation for these mutual funds. So friends, I have shown you the top 3 flexi cap mutual funds and also I have shown you the top 3 large and mid cap mutual funds. I have shown you a comparative analysis between these mutual funds, what are the performances of these mutual funds, and also you can buy these mutual fund in market dips. And also I have shown you a way how you can actually bypass the commission taken by your mutual fund broker. So you can buy these funds directly. So there is a way to buy direct mutual funds from a mutual fund platform. So I have also disclosed that you can buy these funds in Zerodha Coin. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I do come up with this kind of investment related, trading strategies every week, at least once or twice. So if you are not yet connected to me, do hit the subscribe button and also do not forget to hit the bell icon, because in that case you will be getting my next video updates instantly. And guys, if you have liked this video, do hit the like button, comment about the problems you are facing in your trading or in your investing. I'll try to solve them out, and also do not forget to share this video with your friends and relatives. So guys, you will be waiting for my next video. I am going to come with the next video very soon. So guys, wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye.